parents, all our students who are here today and spent almost 3.5 hours, I think, with all of us. I hope you have not been bored with speeches, but the intent was to yes give you some wisdom, students, so that you start with understanding more from leaders. So when I say leaders, I think there are a couple of leaders that I want to speak about today. Dhirubhai Ambani. How many of you have seen Guru? Oh, nobody. I think parents must have seen Guru. Okay, there are some of them. So Dhirubhai Ambani was from a very poor family in a small village in Gujarat. Okay, and the first job of his was filling uh, in the gas stations. Okay, and he started his job at Yemen. He went abroad so that he could make some money for his business. So he had about 15,000. He came back to India and he started his uh, textile business. Okay, he started in a very small way. I think the lesson that we get from Dhirubhai Ambani is that you may start small but think big, and that is why you have Reliance spread across. Right. The second person that I would like to mention about is um, the Nirma's founder. Who is he? Anybody? Yes, somebody said that. Karsanbhai Patel, lovely. So Karsanbhai Patel was again, very much interested and passionate about starting detergent business. And do you know where he started it from? He started it in his backyard. Okay, and there were so many competitors at that time, Surf and so many others, right? But he managed to make an impact. So here is a person who is actually giving us a message that when you are passionate, you can achieve your dreams. So students, I think build that passion for what you want to be in order to achieve all your goals. The third that I want to mention about is the founder of Oyo Rooms. Who is the founder? Who is he? Ritesh Agarwal. Superb. And Ritesh was very fond of traveling. He in fact dropped out of education at the age of 18. I don't want any of you to drop out, okay? You will get more gyan in the BBA program and you will be able to definitely have your own startup if you're passionate about it. So Ritesh, in fact, started Oyo Room, not before Oyo Rooms, he started a small venture called, I think, Foodie Travels, Over Travels or something. And then that was only listing out of hotels, budget hotels, okay? And later he realized that it is just not enough to give them the list of hotels. So he started connecting with hotels and creating or standardizing the experience that every person who would opt for a hotel room would enjoy. And that is where he made a big difference, right? Making a list of hotels was much easier, but then creating that standardized experience in each of those hotels that you opt for, it actually told you that you have to think different. You have to think out of the box, and that's what made him a hit, and that's why today Oyo Rooms is a $1 billion business. So there are so many such leaders. I think if you read about, will give you a lot of inspiration. Students, it is important for all of you to have a role model, and and why I'm saying that is whatever I am today is because I've always had a mentor. I've had a role model who has always inspired me and guided me to be what I am today. So start doing that early. That will really help you. And now my gratitude to all those eminent or professionals who are here today and to give you some wisdom. And I'm sure that many of you will carry it with you. So we had our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Shelar. He spoke about the program, uniqueness of this program. Please carry it with you, all of you. And thanks to our Vice Chancellor. We also had Dr. Nikam. He spoke about, yes, he was from the pharma industry, right? And he also spoke about all those competencies that you need to develop in order to get into the business world. We had I have to now recollect her name. Tulana Hina, right? She was very particular that these actually spell it properly
Yes,
or pronounce
she
it
was.
properly. And that's nice. She was very energizing on stage, and I think she gave us all a very inspiring message that you need to really put in efforts to move from campus to corporate. So I'm hoping that all of you got inspired with her message. Really thankful to her for having come here. Then we also had somebody from the IT industry. Who was that? Ankur Vashne. So Mr. Ankur spoke about 11 out of 100, right? 100 out of 100, but what he is today, right? And he also spoke about being a doctor and also being water. So water and doctor, please carry it with you. Water के जैसे flexible up होना है. You should be adaptable. You should be able to adapt to situations, and you should move on well in your life. That's water. And when you talk about doctor, all of us have problems. All of us see problems around us. हम खुद doctor बन जाएंगे and treat those problems and solve the problems instead of waiting for others to solve it for you. So how wonderful it would be doing it yourself, right? And then we had, of course, Nitin sir, who not only advised you but also advised the parents. So thanks to him for in spite of his busy schedule, he was here with us. And most importantly, Ramana sir,
Yeah.
right? You heard a lot from him about not about killing MBA, but we won't do that, right? Because MBA is a very precious program for us. We started in the year 1991, and this is our 34th year of MBA. BBA is our baby. So, yeah, but he told you how technology is changing the world and how you also need to adapt yourself to learning and aligning yourself to the industry, right? So, technology today is making you all smart, and I know that all of you are already smart. Everybody is aware of how to use technology. In fact, probably we have to learn from you. So, thanks to all those speakers who made a big difference in today's inauguration. Also, thanks to those who have organized this. A very big thanks to our HOD, MBA, BBA, Dr. Namita, and of course Sai, who has been guiding us. A big round of applause to them, and all the faculty members and Mr. Professor RSS Mali. He's always a pillar of support, and he's there as as part of any function at ITM, being the co-founder of ITM group of institutions. So thanks to all of you for being present, especially students. Very patiently you were sitting, and I can still see some silence there, and I like it because I thought that you must be very restless and all of you would be waiting to stand up and just move out. But I see that maybe probably this is your first day and everybody wants to be good on the first day, right? But continue being this, have your patience every time, and that's what is the greatest learning for all of you. Thank you so much once again, and the lunch break.